Hello ladies and gents, I am Jaylyn Renee. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey y'all, I'm here for one thing, to beautify your day. Let's get it, I'm a little sleepy. Catch that, I just put the heavy light tan, I think it's a foundation coat, because your foundation should be first. That's how you get strong. That light tan over the eyes. I think I'm trying to reverse my raccoon look, that black eye look. I'm trying to get that foundation set. I'm two-tone right now, as you can tell. The eyebrows are looking good. The lids are puffed and all around the eye, creating that two-tone layer. Yeah, it looks like it's opening the eyes a little bit, opening the face mask. Now, you just saw the palette. That's where the gold is. I can find everything I need to match my skin tone, so everything look even. Because you can't have it looking like, you know what I'm saying, like you shedding, like you slime. You know what I'm saying? Good, but I want to get that color in. It's that bronze look. That's what Jesus is supposed to look like. It's Jesus color, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that other side in, and as you can see, it's matching my skin a little bit better, but getting that in there real quick. Okay, so far so good. I still look hit, but I'm working on it. Since we added the foundations to the eyelid, around the eyelid area, I noticed I've had to work that in a lot. So it's a lot of circular motion around the eyelid area. So you got to get that in right. Because I'm guessing if the eyelid don't come out right, you pretty much going to look like an animal that God didn't create yet. But yeah, but work that in. Get that bronze color in, heavy coats. This is the second layer. So we above the foundation now. So now we're building on it. So yeah, that little area just gotta be around. So I'm thinking, since the eyes is the window of the soul, you gotta get that portal right. So that's why the ladies gotta get that. Keep stroking that the eyelid, ladies. That's how you open the portal. So when you look at somebody, you can snatch them real quick. Okay. I'm gonna keep doing that. Notice I'm not getting too close to the eyelashes, just to make sure. I'm gonna speed up just a little bit, as you can tell, because it's the same motion. But ladies, remember, work it in. Showing that palette again. I see shiny things on that palette, so I'm glowing. This is not Stage of Beverly Hills. Fancy, huh? You know what I'm saying? So with that palette seems a little fancy, so that means I'm trying to get some extra effects. What am I trying to do? Yeah, so as you see, the color is being pronounced a little, adding a little glow. So that's a bronze finish. That's a little bit of bronze brass finish. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm gonna work that in. Again, the eyelids. You don't stop working on the eyelid. So the entire video, I'm just gonna keep working that eyelid just to make sure to get that eyelid right. Because once the eyelid is right, you good. You are good. But again, keep stroking. So I actually do like forearm workouts on my spare time, just to make sure I can hold and balance not only the mirror, but also the brush. Because as an artist, you need to be efficient and proficient with that brush with every stroke. And as you can tell, shades a little darker, but bringing out a bronze finish to it. And again, we're back right there. Especially those little curvature areas, we're stroking that in there. It's in there. We got to make sure it gets in those stroke areas, especially so it can cover your skin well, creating that nice finish. Now, you can notice the difference between one eye and the other, and that'll go which as you do this more, ladies, you'll understand is balance. You got to make sure you do the same thing on the arm that you do on your left, that you do on your right, making it balance. Because without that balance, the person can sort of sense things are not aligned. But if you create a balance, and now another layer. This is like a deep dish pizza. I'm adding layers to it now. This is definitely to bring the bronze pop out. Right right at the top of the eyes, actually, so just to bring the eyes out, cover it. Yeah, that gold, yeah. That gold bronze finish is dope. It's dope. It's shiny. Yeah. Almost give you a hint of a rose gold, you know what I'm saying? Hint of a rose gold, but I'm working that in there and again. And it goes really well with my skin. You feel me? Look at my skin. It's gonna have me glowing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna keep working that in. Again, back at it with the lids. The lids just gotta be, it's like you gotta hit those lids over and over and over and over and over and over and over again in order to get the look that you're looking for. Now, considering we did the foundation, first, second, third layers, and we've been focusing strictly on the eyes because it's the most important thing, that brings us now to the eyelashes. You know those gotta be on fleek, right? Right. So, with my sharp marker, I'm gonna draw the lines. We can, which creates that contrast for the gold and the black, creating a nice, that gold and black creates a nice color, but also it brings out all the work that we did on the eyelid. And now mixing the lashes real quickly, as you can tell now, they're out. They look like a fly with them. But yeah, and that's it. And you, all the work we just did. So all the work we just did is basically around the eyes. Once you create the eyes, you're able to get the glow that you need, and you get the attention. You finish everything else, which is just getting that proper color palette to match. Got the foundation on there, and now that brown caramel color, and I'm just gonna powder that in there. The little puff ball, puff it in there, boom, boom, match it up real quickly. Again, the eyes are out, and now it's just creating that even tone that we need. So all the imperfections we can show up really clear on the camera. And as a beauty person that we want to take care of, and this session has really done that for us. I'm gonna keep now the cheeks, all around the face, just to get it to an even tone. Now, I'm assuming I'm gonna add something else. Cause ladies, they come in layers. So I don't know what I'm adding next, but something else has got to come out to finish everything off. And also we got to work on the another layer of caramel cream powder, whatever it is. It's supposed to blend in, and it's supposed to match the entire face around the gold exposure, gold earth tone exposure. Earth tone exposure that I just created with the eyes. And as you can tell, all that blends in real quickly. And of course, we're not finished. We still got a couple other things to do. Oh wow, I really love this one because of the way I'm pouring it on. It feels good. It feels good on my skin. But again, it's like second, third layer in order to get that perfect even tone that I want. And I do get that effect with this bottle. But to your second layer, sometimes I do a third, but third might be a bit much. But definitely by now, everything should be smooth. You want everything around the face to be clear while exposing. Basically putting the eyes on display. Now, this looks powdery, creamy. I'm guessing this helps protect and set. It'll help keep all the work that we've done on there. It's like laminating it, I think. So we're gonna powder that in to help stabilize the makeup. So just in case rain, blah blah, all these different kind of things, you can deal with them. Not fully. I'm not saying go running around in the rain, but if you get caught a little bit, the makeup will hold. That's what I think this is doing, and it does it well. and it does it really well. And as you can tell, I'm trying to see, you got the eyebrows to finish, but let's powder this in. Story time. Now with the powder, notice how that lightens it up a bit. It brings some more realistic features to the face as we layer it. The first couple layers are a bit creamy, so it can look a little bit too moisturized. That powder sort of dries it up. Okay, it makes perfect sense. Now I'm working on the lashes, making sure the lashes are popping out. As you can tell, this look takes a very long time. I think every time I go into makeup, I spend at least an hour and a half, just to make sure you get the right look. But I'm getting everything correctly, and notice how smooth that is. And I just noticed a little red, orange earth tone color on blush on the cheeks there. But you got to make sure you accentuate that as the beauty, add some hair. And yeah, you're ready to go. Go kind of town. Hey, look at my teeth, they're clean. I'm out.